Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make the pumpkin spice latte. It's perfect for this autumn season and I absolutely love it. Now, here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this pumpkin spice latte. I'm using coffee, some fresh milk, pureed pumpkin, some mixed spice, cinnamon stick, vanilla, and optionally sugar. So if you're ready, let's get started. I'm going to simply start by mixing in 2 heaped tablespoons of coffee together with some hot boiling water. So I'm going to mix this all together and simply set it aside for now. Now inside a pot, I'm going to add the 2 cups of milk, any milk at all of your choice. I'm going to add in my pureed pumpkin straight together with the milk. I'm adding cinnamon stick and just a ½ teaspoon of some mixed spice. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and optionally sugar. Now you can definitely skip the sugar bit, so if you prefer not to have sugar, just skip that bit. Now I'm putting this on top of my stove and I'm going to simply gently mix and simmer it. It's very important not to bring it to the boil. Just gently simmer it on your stove just to heat it up. Once it's nicely heated, I'm going to add that mixture of the coffee that we made earlier on in the video. Just add it straight onto that and simply mix it together. You just want to heat this up for a few seconds to a minute or two. Make sure it does not boil. Once it's nicely heated up, then you're ready. Simply take it off the stove and it's ready to serve. Now with the pumpkin spice latte, you can either serve it hot or cold. It's totally up to you. Today I'm going to be serving it cold, so I'm adding some ice cubes into my glass and I'm going to simply sieve this straight into the glass. And I'll simply top it up with some whipped cream and 1 cinnamon stick just on the side for decoration. Then I'll sprinkle on just a little bit of some cinnamon, some ground cinnamon on top. Or you can also alternatively use the mixed spice on top as well. It's totally optional. So for the second cup, I'm sprinkling on some mixed spice. I just absolutely love the aroma. It smells so amazing. Now, as you can see, this was quick and simple and easy, and our pumpkin spice latte is ready. Drink as much or as little as you like. That's totally up to you. Thank you all so much for taking time out to watch this. I hope you can try out this recipe sometime. Remember to like, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.